this is our entryway. When you go over here, you have the kitchen. You have this empty space that you could put like a little dining table. Have the sink, lots of cabinets. Have your stove. I like the windows, really nice. That's where the fire escape is. Some more cabinets. The fridge is a little bit small, but I think we can manage. And then this kind of looks scary, like a scary movie, but it's actually more storage space, which is great. And then when you come over here, you have the living room. And then this room is gonna be my sister's room, so it's right next to the living room. And they have a lot of closet space, like right in here. Not too shabby. And you have another closet right here for your towels and whatnot. And then this is our bathroom. Pretty nice size. A regular bathtub. Me. And then this will be my room. So I actually have double windows, which is great because, as you guys know, I really need some natural light. And then this is my closet, which is a decent size because then you have all this shelving up here, so it should work well.